Most developers mix up these two terms, and the confusion creates real security holes. Authentication answers one core question: who are you? When a user submits credentials, a username and password, your server verifies their identity. If the credentials match, the user is authenticated. In REST APIs, this often means issuing a JSON web token that the client sends with future requests. If authentication fails, wrong password, expired token, the server responds with 401 unauthorized. Authorization answers a separate question: what are you allowed to do? Even after the server knows who you are, it still needs to check your permissions. A regular user might read their own profile, but only an admin can delete records. In REST APIs, this is typically enforced through roles or permission scopes attached to the token. If authorization fails, the response is 403 forbidden, not 401. Here is the critical rule: authentication always happens before authorization. You cannot check what someone is allowed to do until you know who they are. Every secure REST API applies these two gates in sequence. Identity first, permission second. In practice, post to /ap/login with credentials. That is authentication, and you get back a token. Then jeet/ap/admin/users with that token. The server validates your identity first, then checks whether your role is admin. Two separate checks, always in that order. Authentication proves identity. 401 on failure. Authorization grants access. 403 if denied. Know both, and your API security is solid. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.